Elias Brailoo, I suppose. There we go, we'll have that. I think I'd choose the castle because I suppose a castle is a very magical setting to start with. And yeah, I suppose what would I do to it? I don't know, make it very colourful. Lots of magical creatures that aren't real. Bring all them in there. And just, I think, make the impossible possible. I think I'd make a cake, because everyone loves cake, but a cake that would make you invisible, because that's just sort of a win-win really, isn't it? Their housemates, they had shower heads that you could screw off, and they put gravy granules in there and then screwed it back on. So when they had a shower, it came out as gravy. It's quite a good one, to be fair. Mysterious. I'd definitely go mysterious at the moment. Exciting, very exciting. And an opportunity. I'd say that one. No, I'll have magical. Magical instead. That's nicer. Yeah, what's the magical?